Hi guys, the best air fryers can make meals more delicious and more convenient at the same time. Air fryers are mini convection ovens which heat a concentrated amount of food within a basket via a fan. They're generally easy to program, quick to work, and produce crispy and tender results. Plus, they're much cheaper to run versus the oven, which is why so many are turning to these countertop appliances. Should you decide to invest in a toaster oven, this opens up a whole host of additional functions as well. But, how can you tell which model to buy? So, let's get started. Number 10. Agero Galaxy Digital Air Fryer for Home. The electronic controls have preset cooking programs to give you an idea of what temperature and time to use for foods that you're most likely to air fry. Once you set the gourmet, it automatically goes into a preheat mode and then, halfway through the air frying process. Brand Agero. The basket goes in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. Our only gripe with the gourmet is that it's not a particularly attractive product, but we're big believers that function is more important than design. The only test we found it struggled on was fresh French fries, which just weren't up to scratch compared to others. The next is Number 9. Inelsa Air Fryer Oven AeroSmart 18L. The Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro Air Fry Oven DT201 will deliver exceptional results, no matter which setting you're using. The display and controls can all be found on the handle, which means this oven is making the most efficient use of its space. This puts the controls in an easy-to-read position as well. Brand Inelsa. It can fit 9 slices of bread at once, or a 12-pound turkey, and comes with 10 cooking settings including roast, bake, broil and air fry. 2 oven racks are also included, which can fit 2 12-inch pizzas at once. When put to the test, we found it was brilliant at baking yellow cake as well as browning toast and air frying chicken wings. The next is Number 8. Philips Digital Air Fryer HD 925290. The Philips Premium Airfryer XXL is one solidly built machine with a sky-high price tag. In our tests, it was one of the only air fryers that could crisp up 2 pounds of French fries to perfection. In fact, your kids might just be convinced that they came from their favorite fast food restaurant. Model name HD 925290. However, other foods, like chicken wings and French fries made from scratch, came out less evenly browned and crunchy. It did broil burgers well and turned out an impressive crispy skin roast chicken though. The Philips doesn't require preheating, which saves a step, but it does take longer to cook than other air fryers as a consequence. The next is Number 7. Hamilton Beach Air Fryer with OTG. In terms of performance, the Joule oven exceeded its Smart Oven predecessor when it came to making toast. It was also slightly better at frying up chicken wings as well as frozen French fries. However, the Smart Oven came out on top when cooking French fries from scratch and breaded chicken. Model name Air Fryer Oven. On the whole, recipes emerged beautifully cooked from the Joule oven, and we were particularly impressed by the roast chicken it produced. This model still gets hot to the touch, particularly on the glass, and it's by no means a cheap investment, but if you love all things tech and you want your toaster oven to make a statement, it's worth considering. The next is Number 6. Ninja AF161 Max 1750WXL High Gloss Finish. This is a well-thought-out machine and the settings are clearly marked, but the multifunctionality can be confusing and you will find yourself referring to the manual often at the beginning. However, once you get the hang of programming, it's easy to do. And this air fryer, model name Ninja AF161, produces great results, particularly for chicken wings, Brussels sprouts and breaded chicken. With its matte gray finish, the Ninja is good-looking, but at about the size of a small microwave, will take up considerable countertop space. It's also heavy, so you won't want to be moving it in and out of a cabinet or closet often. The next is Number 5. Hamilton Beach Air Fryer with OTG. The controls are intuitive to operate, and we found that it excelled at roasting a chicken and frying breaded chicken. The brushed stainless steel surfaces give the Breville a professional look, but they do get excessively hot during cooking, reaching 252 degrees Fahrenheit during our tests, although the towel bar handle and controls stay cool to the touch. Model name air fryer oven. With this oven, you get several racks and pans for pizza and baking which you will have to store when you're not using them. Breville doesn't recommend placing them in the dishwasher, and the air fryer rack in particular can take a bit of work to get clean. The next is number 4. Dash Compact Air Fryer 1.2L Electric Air Fryer. The best air fryer for small families is the Dash Compact Air Fryer. It's not much bigger than a coffee maker and does a good job of cooking up an air-fried chicken dinner or hamburgers for just 1 or 2 people. Brand Dash. With a pair of dials, one for temperature and one for time, it couldn't be easier to program. When you use the Dash, you may find air frying times are a little on the long side, and you will want to be vigilant about tossing your French fries and turning over your chicken cutlets to get evenly browned and crisped results. The next is number 3. Hamilton Beach Air Fryer with OTG. We think the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is the best air fryer if you want the functionality of several appliances in one package. In addition to air frying, it can crisp up bagels, roast a 4-pound chicken, and bake a 12-inch pizza. Brand Hamilton Beach. There's no preheat required, which adds to the cooking time but saves you a step. As it cooks, the Cuisinart is very quiet, so it won't prevent you from chatting in the kitchen or having a phone conversation. Unlike most air fryers, the Cuisinart isn't housed in plastic, and it's not shaped like a space capsule or giant egg. Instead, it's constructed of stainless steel and has a boxy design. The next is number 2. GoWise USA GW22638 3.7 QT 1500W 8-in-1. Don't let the low price of the GoWise USA 3.7 quart 8-in-1 air fryer fool you. It's no slouch at air frying and comes with the digital controls and pre-programmed settings you'd expect from a much more expensive machine. Brand GoWise USA. You don't have to preheat the GoWise, which is a time saver, and as it cooks, it doesn't get too hot to touch, so you don't have to worry about an accidental burn. While the baskets aren't dishwasher safe, they are coated with a non-stick finish for easy hand cleaning. To give you inspiration as to what to cook, the GoWise comes with a cookbook full of recipes. The next is number 1. Cosori Air Fryer CP158, Black, 5.8 quarts. The Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer is the best air fryer for most people, and because of that it won the Tom's Guide 2022 award for Best Air Fryer. It consistently browned and crisped everything from frozen crinkle-cut fries to Brussels sprouts. Brand Cosori. The Cosori has electronic controls with preset programs for commonly cooked foods. During cooking it stays cool enough to touch without risking a burn. The baskets are not only non-stick, they can be popped in the dishwasher. If you like technology, you'll appreciate the ability to control this appliance and search for recipes from your mobile device or give it orders with a digital assistant, so this is the best option for you to buy.